Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Seebiedeebie, and if you're new here, welcome. I do reviews and unboxings and a little bit of everything in between. And today we're going to be applying some new Ardell Aqua lashes. So they're the ones I have on right now. And you apply them on with water. Well, you activate the lashes with water. So if you guys want to find out more about this, keep on watching. So today, as you can see, we are doing a review on the Ardell Aqua lashes. So I have two different styles here. I have the 343 and the 341, and I picked these up from Sally Beauty Supply. These were the only two styles that I actually had there, so I went ahead and grabbed them. Now I am going to be trying on the 341s today. And these are the most natural ones that they actually have. And yeah, so what we actually need to do is have some warm water. I have right here. And what you basically do is you dip the band into the water. Just the band, not the lashes. It is a little bit difficult because I did use these already, and I did them and I took them off. And I would say the application, if you are a first time strip lash user, they're easy. You just kind of dip them in the water, the adhesive in the water, well, the actual band, because there's adhesive on the band already. So when you dip them into the warm water, they say warm, not cold. I haven't tried it with cold, but they say when you dip them into the warm water, it activates the adhesive. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the adhesive, and there is a lot of adhesive on the actual band itself. So here, so you can see the shiny parts on the band, and that is the glue. I am very used to the traditional strip lashes where you just apply the glue onto the band itself. And so this is a lot of adhesive, okay? And it was really hard to remove when I took the other ones off because there's just so much adhesive. Okay, so I zoomed in because I wanted to show you guys that I have liquid eyeliner on. And because you actually get that lash band wet, I'm gonna show you guys if it actually messes up your liquid eyeliner or not. But the first thing that you gotta do on the instructions here is that you need to trim the eyelashes. So you can notice it, as you notice, it has extra band right here, and that's actually just to hold it onto the plastic tray here. It just holds onto the plastic tray. So my favorite way to actually clip eyelashes is use a cuticle clipper. I like these because they are just really, really sharp. So I'll show you guys. Clipping. And I'm just gonna clip right at the very top, right there, and then right at the very end, right here. So there we go, we got our lash. Okay, so you're supposed to dip it, the actual lash band, into warm water for 10 to 15 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. Now, I did notice that you do get a little bit of water, excess water on the actual lashes at the very end, and that is kind of annoying. So I didn't like that part, and I tried to wipe it off with tissue last time, and the glue got all over my tissue. So you just got to be really careful with this glue because it is very, very sticky. And also, you want to make sure that your placement is just right, okay? When I mean just right, I mean, I'm going to show you guys right here where I took off the lashes and I tried to replace them somewhere else, reposition them on my eye, and it just got really messy. The glue just, as you can see, just kind of spiderwebbed on my eyelashes, and it just made a mess. So you want to position these just right. I do think that is very neat that this is water activated. So I'm going to show you right here. It's nice and activated now. You can see all that clear glue right there on the strip. Ooh, you see how sticky that is? It's like a sticky spider web. But coming from traditional strip lashes, like actually getting warm water in a container like this, it's a lot of effort. I just rather put glue on the strip lash. But again, this is just me. If you're new to strip eyelashes, this is pretty neat and simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this onto my eye. And again, you want the positioning to be just right, okay? Now, I will also say that the band is not flexible like traditional lashes. It is very stiff because of the glue, so it does not bend whatsoever. So you just gotta be really careful. So it's really stiff when I actually blink because I think it's still a little bit wet. It's still a little bit gooey. So you just want to make sure that the lashes itself are dry and not watery, because that will mess up your liquid eyeliner. I'm going to go ahead and put this side on, but like I said, the band is not flexible whatsoever, but it is really, really comfortable because I wore the other ones all day, and I usually don't wear strip lashes anymore because they really hurt the inner corner and the outer corner of my eye. But these are really comfortable. I don't know if it's because the amount of glue on there that actually cushions it, but like when I blink, it doesn't hurt the inner or outer corner of my eyes. These are really beautiful though, but I can feel like it's really wet and cold when I put them on. So this side is drying up a lot, and this glue is really strong, like really strong. And I'll show you guys a little clip here of me taking off the other lashes. So what they tell you to do is take a Q-tip, dab it in some water, and then take the Q-tip, the wet Q-tip, and rub it on the actual lash band to try to remove it. But I did find it very difficult to take off, and I did lose a few lashes. I don't know if maybe I just didn't leave the water on there long enough, but I definitely dabbed one side of my eyelashes with the water and then tried to remove the other side to let it have time to loosen up. But because I'm not a glue, it was very, very hard, and I found that a challenge to remove. So I do want you guys to be aware of the removal. But all in all, like, these are really neat as far as water activated bands. I would say, again, if you're a beginner, you might want to try these out. Just be careful when you remove them. The band is really comfortable if you have the same problem as me as far as the inner corner and outer corner pain every time you blink with strip lashes. They have, I think, 5 different styles. You can check them out on Sally Beauty Supply or the Ardell website itself. But these are the ones that they had in stock, and so I think they are really, really beautiful. This is it for the video. If you guys like this, please like and consider subscribing for more videos just like this. If you guys have any suggestions of lashes that you guys want me to try, please leave a comment down below, because I love looking at your comments to see what you guys suggest. So yeah, this is it, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.